grew up with two fathers. One had a PhD and a high-ranking government job. The other never even finished high school. Both were hardworking, charismatic, and tall. But their bank accounts told two completely different stories. One died, leaving behind millions to his family and charity. The other, he left behind a mountain of unpaid bills. This is the story of how I learned the secrets of the 1%, and why everything you were taught about money is a lie. The poor dad trap. My poor dad, the educated one, always told me, "Son, go to school, get good grades, and find a safe, secure job with benefits." He believed the government would take care of his pension. He viewed money as something to be feared, or as the root of all evil. Whenever I asked for something expensive, he would sigh and say, "I can't afford that." Those 4 words shut down his brain. He stopped thinking. He accepted his reality as a 9-to-5 worker. The rich dad mindset. But my rich dad, my friend's father who mentored me, had a different rule. He banned the phrase, "I can't afford it." Instead, he forced me to ask, "How can I afford it?" One statement is a dead end. The other is a workout for your brain. Rich dad taught me the most important lesson at age 9. The poor and middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. He didn't want a paycheck. He wanted assets. He didn't want a job. He wanted to own the company that gave the jobs. Assets versus liabilities. The big reveal. Most people are broke because they buy liabilities and call them assets. My poor dad thought his house was his biggest asset. My rich dad laughed. "A house is a liability," he said. "If it takes money out of your pocket every month for taxes and mortgage, it's not an asset. An asset must put money in your pocket while you sleep." The rich build a money machine through real estate, stocks, and businesses. They work hard once, and the money flows forever. The middle class, they work for a paycheck that disappears the moment they stop working. The final choice. I watched my poor dad struggle until his last breath, always waiting for a raise that never came. He was trapped in the rat race. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. You can choose to follow the educated path into the rat race, or you can start building your empire today. The truth is, most people will watch this, feel inspired for a minute, and then go back to their 9-to-5 tomorrow morning. They'll stay safe, they'll stay comfortable, and they'll stay broke. The engagement hook, call to action. But you're still here. That means you're ready to break the cycle. The last train to financial freedom is leaving the station. The question is, are you on it? Before you go, I have a question for you. Are you currently building an asset that pays you while you sleep? Or are you just collecting liabilities that look like success?